Hey guys, today I'm going to make a quick video showing you how to replace the starter on this 2003 Toyota Camry. This will work on different models. I think the 2000 all the way to the 2005. But it has a 2.4 engine, the 4-cylinder. And it's a very quick video, so let's get right to it. Okay guys, so here's our engine. And our starter is right here. It's right there. It's going to be a quick job. The first thing you have to do when replacing a starter on any car is to unplug, disconnect your battery, the positive terminal, disconnected. In this case, I'm not only going to disconnect it, I'm going to take off the battery just because I want to remove this frame right here so we can have a better access to the starter. It will make our life way easier and it's going to be easy. So it's going to be a size 10. You're going to disconnect your battery with a size 10 socket. You're going to disconnect this right here, unplug it. The terminals, and this right here is a size 10 as well. And then you're gonna do this nut right here, size 10. And this screw right here is a size 10. You're gonna remove this frame, and then your battery will come off, and then we can take off the bottom. I'll show you that in just a second, but go ahead and take off your battery so we can have access to the starter. Okay guys, so I removed the battery, as you can see. Now just come in here. I'm using gloves, you should use some gloves too, but just come in here, remove this little plastic cover, little floor plastic cover. Put it on the side, okay. And now this is what we're going to remove so that we can remove this little frame. It's not really hold up there. You can push it down and pop it out of the air intake. But just come in here with a size 10 and remove this too. So this two size 10, take them off, and this whole little frame will come out when you just take it out of from there, okay. So go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so I removed those two screws, the size 10. There's another screw here. You have to take it out from the inside, but you don't have to. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Now you have this movement here, which gives you access to this section right here, which is what we wanted. So that's all you have to do. The first thing that I'm gonna do now is to unplug this cable, which is just a push and pull. So you're gonna push right there. It's gonna be hard for me to record and do, but it's gonna be a push and pull. Let me see. Okay, there you go. Unplug that, put it on the side. And then this cover right here, that's just a little cover. You can push this back like that. And as you can see, you now have access through here. There you go. And you're gonna remove that. Let me tell you the size and everything. Let me just clean this up, and then I'm gonna tell you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so it's a size 12. I already moved the cable and everything. It's a size 12 right here. You're gonna remove this nut. This is my setup right there. It's very easy. Come on in here, remove this. Make sure you don't drop the nut or you'll go nuts. But just make sure you take that off, remove that. And then we can move on to the two main ones, which is right here and right there. There's a lot of space. This should be a very easy process. So let me go ahead and take that off and then show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, the cable is removed. Now you're gonna remove these two screws. They're size 13. Or half. And then as you can see back there, I already have my setup. It's good enough for me to just come in here and bring it in. There you go. As you can see, perfect. There's enough space for you to work. And then right here, you're gonna do the same thing. There's a lot of space. You shouldn't have any issues. This cable keeps bothering me, but there you go. So go ahead and remove those two, and let me show you what you have to do after that. Okay guys, so I removed both screws, very easy. I did this one first. I finished it off with my hand, and then I came in here, I used an extension, and I took this one out. It's already loose. It still won't come out because of this little plastic right here, which it's just comes here and it's held with these two screws, are size 10. So I'm gonna remove this two, and then this whole thing is just clipped in this reservoir right here, so you can pop it out, and we can pop it out from here. So I'm gonna remove this too, and let me show you what else you have to do. We're gonna remove this cover, and then we're gonna have access so we can come all the way out, because as it is, you can force it out. Let's see, you still need a little bit more so you can come out. So let's go ahead and remove this plastic, and then I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so I removed the cover. It was very easy. By removing those two screws, the thing just comes out. There's nothing holding it. It clips in here and it clips in here, but no clips at all, just kind of like lays in there. So it's very easy. Now you have a lot of space and you can remove the starter. I'm gonna put a note at the beginning of the video so you can take that out at the beginning if you want, or you did it now, it's fine. It gives you way more space, but it's really not needed because I did it fine without issues. But now that you're here, you can just pull this out through here, just like that, and that's it, guys. Very easy. I'm gonna replace it with the one that I bought on Amazon, like I mentioned before. Check the link in the description for more details on that. It has a 1-year warranty. They mail it straight to your house. There's like a 1 or 2 day delivery. Very easy. You don't have to worry about the core, nothing like that. You keep the core. So check that company. They're very good and reliable. And the process is very simple. Very simple. Hopefully this helped. Please like and subscribe, and just do everything back in reverse. Enjoy, guys. Take care.